Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video, and yes, I have been MIA. I will be back in tune with y'all, doing more videos of my family and everything and updates. But today I'm doing soft locks on my cousin. So the soft locks are very easy. Just follow my method. And what I'm doing is I'm just parting her hair all over, and I'm using the edge wax. I will put that brand down in the bottom because they have two brands of this edge wax, and I use the extreme hold, but you can use the regular hold. It does the same. The extreme hold is just a little bit more firm. With these soft locks, you can do any kind of parting, but with her, she just went the regular box, so that's what I went with. You can do parting such as the triangle or the diamond or the oval parting. It's up to you and your client. Also with this, if your client is like natural or anything, that doesn't really matter. Because everything is going to be plaited down and covered. And also with color, the color can be hidden and it will be hidden underneath the soft lock. So the only thing that would change with the frame is I'm going to still use the edge wax. I'm going to just apply some of the edge control just to sleek her edges down. As you can see, I am using a toothbrush because that's what I prefer and that's what I use. Okay, so all of the plaiting is done. So now it's easy from here. So only thing you gotta do is hook, pull through, and hook again. So you're gonna hook, pull through, and hook. So you see that 3 simple steps. You hook, pull through, and hook again. So why you just can't like leave them like this? Why you have to wrap the hair around? Oh, cause baby, honey, hair still sticking out. Oh. Okay, so once you get done putting on your crochet, what you're going to do is take this water wave hair and start wrapping it around the top. And once you start wrapping around the top, you keep going around and you try to cover the whole braid. That's the process. You just got to cover the braid and cover the client's hair. That's the only thing you're using the hair for, and you're trying to make it blend. That's it. So like if you have like any gaps, you can go back and add in any more hair or anything you need to, or like space it right. It's only about the spacing right here. So you just gotta space it and make sure you can't see the client's braid and all of that. Okay, y'all. So the hair does come coiled and really curly. So only thing you're gonna do is take your hand and like rub it through, and like it'll come apart. So only thing I'm doing here is wrapping it around just like you see here. So it's about spacing, like I keep saying, because you can mess up on the spacing part. Because if you mess up, like the hair can come undid, it can come loose. It'll be loose, and like a couple of days later, your client texts you, like, "Hey, my hair coming to loose," and you don't want to get that. You don't. That's not good for business. That's bad for business, mama. But anyways. Yes. So anyways, we done. And yes, I did take out the color because she didn't have the water wave hair in the brown. So yes, you see how cute it look. The parts are clean and everything. So yeah. Just admire how pretty her hair is. Yes, God.